Hello, 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 hello. I'm here to talk about this BT5.4 Bluetooth USB adapter. Purchased this on Amazon. Now, what I bought this for was to plug into my computer system so that my new wireless Bluetooth headphones will work and connect up with my PC. And beautifully, it works absolutely beautifully. It was easy to install. And now my wireless headphones can connect easily with my computer, and I can use them with the computer as well. So, thanks to this product. So, I would recommend this if you're looking for a Bluetooth USB adapter. This is a very good one. I will link it below. Looks like it was made in China. Just pretty standard product, but if you're looking for a USB Bluetooth adapter, this is one that I would recommend. Let me know if you use any USB adapters on any of your devices. We actually use adapters pretty often here in this household, but yeah, happy to share a good product with others. I would definitely give this a 5 out of 5 stars. I'll link it below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!